Your phone is slow, you can fix it in 2 seconds. There's a lot of cool stuff to speed up your phone, like putting unnecessary applications at sleep, overclock, tweak some settings. But the coolest one is turning off animation. No animation, faster phone, better battery, less lags, fewer crash, and fewer bugs, and the fewer AI which scam apps can hide behind. That's why I mention it here, because it have a minimal security benefits too. Let's see how we can do it for both iOS and Android devices. Now let's turn off animation for Android. Our Android is now much faster even for a 12GB RAM Android, brand new. Now let's turn off animation for iOS device. So our iPhone 16 is much faster now. Follow and like for more.